Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to talk about how we should distribute the meat, especially in the 𝗙liche. So today with me, one of my very close friend, 𝗙liche, who we will discuss with him about the distribution of the meat in 𝗙liche. So because he studied in madrasa, so I hope he will give us knowledge about how we should distribute meat, especially in the 𝗙liche, according to the Islamic teaching. So 𝗙liche, Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you very much. My first question is, what is the correct way to divide it?
Okay, so for kurbani meats, you have to divide it into 3 different parts.
Okay.
And if you want to know about how should the meat is distributed, so then I would say that the 1/3 of the part you can kept for yourself, and another 1/3 part you should give it to your relatives or neighbors or your friends, and the last left 1/3 part. This is very important. You have to share this, or you have to give it to the needy or poor people in your society.
So my second question is, can I give more than 1/3 to the poor people?
Yes, obviously. I just told you that you have to share 1/3 of the total meat to the needy and poor people. This is a minimum rate that I actually saying what I'm saying you. This is a minimum rate. If you want to share more than this, it is encouraged to the people. We encourage the people. If you want, you can give more than this, and it impact more. Maybe it's better.
Okay. So can I give meat to non-Muslim?
Oh, thank you. It's a very nice question and very important question. And if it is voluntary kurbani, like nafil, what we can say it's a nafil, then you can share this with the non-Muslim. But if it is obligatory, it is encourage people to give it to the Muslim poor people.
Okay.
So it's a matter like obligatory means the wajib kurbani. That's what I actually mean about the obligatory. So in terms of wajib or obligatory kurbani, you should share first with the Muslim needy or poor people.
Okay. Thank you very much. So my last question is it allowed to cook the meat and eat it with friends on the same day?
Yes, you can have it, no problem, and you can enjoy the meat with your friend as well. And it's a in Islam, if I want to say that, it's a sunnah. If you have the kurbani meat with your friends, with your guests, and if you share, you can also share the meat, cooked meat as well, with your guests and with your friends. In Islam, it's a sunnah. Okay.
Thank you very much. So that's all for today. Hope it will be helpful for all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.